Hi friends, welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog we are going to do Airshow, Dubai Airshow 2021, and it's too far from our home. That's why the time is 10 o'clock. Okay, but we are on no date, but we are too far. That's why we are trying to go faster. Friends of Semi, how is this look? Okay, this looks my hairstyle, how's looking it? Comment me and just see me, okay? And see, now we are in the highway, okay? Like I told you now, we are very fast from there. So that's why, like, see now, it's not Edna came. You can look here, Edna, everyone came. And we are now almost, I think so, we are closer, but no, but cannot see. I guess that thing is that, I guess, okay, I'm not sure about that, okay? Now when we go there, I will take more videos and pictures and I'll post on Instagram also. Follow me on there also. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok. Friends, we came to Dubai Airshow, but there are the lines for the parking. The free parking actually is they're asking for the parking pass, but we don't have parking pass, so we are doing the free pass. Like taking the free parking. So now see there are the many parkings, and now we are going. Come on, let's go. Finally, we came to Dubai Airshow, and we are going to do actually park our car with that side, and now we are going to the entry, and let's see how enjoyment is going to do. Oh, let's start now this final video. Friends, now we are in. You can look at the 3D picture, like 3D pointers. Pointer 3D. Wow, and see there are so many missiles over here. And rocket launcher also is there. You can see there are many things. Wow. Friends, this is the same like inside the plane. It's very same to the Emirates and the vehicles. And in the max spaces you can hear yes. See this one all. It's same like an airline. It's very same. And see this international golden group. Wow, man, really. I cannot say what things are there, but it is very good. Or like, oh my goodness, this drone. It is a drone, man. Wow. And it's a gun. I guess, but this is a DP. Wow. Man, see these all things. Wow. What like I told you, right? There, Mr. There. See this. Wow, man. I can't believe it. Many good things are there. See this. This is a drone. I guess this is a real drone. Wow. Look at the things, man. Wow. I can't. Oh my god, something up. It's a drone.
Ground station is here. What I need is
Wow. They're asking about that the drones.
any computer, any laptop, or any camera. It's a high email.
Friends, I'm not lying. Still like I biggest feeling as Iron Man. Still has the biggest feeling as Iron Man. Just look, nothing is there. It's a simple glass. I guess this is a projection. I guess. Yeah, I was right. See this thing, man. Really, I can't imagine what things are there. Wow, what was that? Hey man, what is this? Is a machine? Is a robot? Man, I guess there's like something like a aim thing. Like this, look at it. Wow. Look at it, man. It's doing so good. It's impressive. Most impressive thing that you can see here now. All in movies, I have some like this kind of boxes. Man, just look at it. It's feeling so incredible thing. Wow, look at it, man. That plane. You can see that plane? Many planes are there. Friends, see, this is a plane. And this is some information about the planes. And see, this is the seats. It'll be this way. And it's very good, man. Really, mashallah, I love it. Friends, who are fans of Emirates, that kind of planes, please come in this video and watch this. Emirates. I will take the video from more closely. You can see the video. This is a new MS plane. When it's going to come, inshallah. Now we are inside of first class, and man, I'm not lying, it's so great. The tab also, see, the music is there, things. Let's see, they are given the sticky tag also. And I'm saying, I know you are enjoying this video. And it's the bed. See, you can see the bed. And this is inside of the helicopter. And look here. This is like a drone also. See, actually the space one, but it's a little big one. That's good. This is not good, it's very nice. I like this one. I will come daily here.
They can showcase their products and they can fly their products around the world. We continue to do that on a daily basis. And this is important because Dubai is a great location geographically. If you fly 4 hours from Dubai, you probably hit a couple 200 meters. So in terms of the reach and the network and the capability is significant. As soon as we can see behind us, it's such a key component of our core competence, especially around moving fresh products like food and the oysters today. Secondly, we also have great capabilities on the ramp. From the time the oysters arrive at the airport, comes into our warehouse, into our cool chamber, it is fully maintained. That allows us then to escort the oysters directly to the aircraft. So you can see the supply chain in terms of the temperature control is in no way broken at any point in time.
Having been transported by truck from Fujian to Dubai using a cold chain system, the oysters are then placed into the temperature-controlled Emirates A380, where they're monitored at a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Ready for takeoff in just 30 minutes, the oysters fly out in the afternoon and are ready for plating in Moscow restaurants that same evening.
See, now I'm going to try the main margin. This is Martin, okay? And it's very good, wow.
Will he be joining the Air Force? Can we help? Can we help? This is our new product. It sits on a survival kit for the life. It's got all the survival aids.
No way, it's actually easy.
Yeah, it's a life raft. So when you hit the water, it floats. And then he swims to it and gets in. Sorry? It's incredible. There's CO2 inside. And he has some survival aids. less than half of 1% of the So depending. It's probably not hygienic to put the mask on, you know. You have to join the Air Force now.
Yeah, I'm always there.
Excellent.
Yeah, okay.
Let me show you this all things. Okay? These are our tanks and many things. Wow. It's making me feel like I'm in a Rambo movie. See friends, we got the food from there and it's no cost, okay? It's free. See, they have given us an apple and water and mango juice. This is good, very good. Thank you. Friends, this is a helicopter and it's a good one. Then it is in the blue and white color.
What's good?
It's Call of Duty aeroplane. Follow for me for that. finally we finish and everything is finished now. So now time is short for going to home. And now finally I'm saying you, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Friends, if you are new in this channel, please make sure you have to subscribe and hit the bell icon.